Coming in. So I had some leftover. Okay, first of all, let's make an easy dinner. Easy dinner because I got some leftover chicken.
And is what you need is cream of chicken, cream of chicken, sliced carrots, and what's that called again?
Oh, chicken. That's chicken in the can.
And some chicken in the can.
We got 2 extra drumsticks, so Angie needs to break these apart.
How?
Like this.
Oh, okay.
It's only 2, so
Oh.
what are we gonna do with 2? Nobody's gonna eat just 2. I mean, they could, but I can't make that at dinner.
Ew.
So we're gonna break this up.
Ew.
Oh, stop.
Ew.
Break it up.
Ew.
Will you stop? Then you're gonna wash your hands. So we got one can of chicken, and then 2 drumsticks of chicken. We don't need the skin though.
Oh.
It's all right. We also need egg noodles.
Egg noodles?
Don't wipe on yourself. You just wiped grease all over your shirt.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you guys saw her. She did. You said you're gonna wash your hands, not wipe it on yourself. Give me that. Give me that. Just. No, don't wipe it on my chair, girl.
I'm not.
You are. No, go wash your hands now. Go wash. You were. I saw you. You guys saw her, right? She did. Stop. She's wiping it on me fresh.
Creamy chicken?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pour the cream.
You got a spoon?
A spoon? No, can you just use the fork? Get the cream of chicken out here. That's so gross, but.
Get it in there. Yep. I'm gonna go put these because you have to pre-cook these, so these are going in the pot right here.
And put this everywhere.
Yeah, because then we have to put a can, that can of milk. We don't have that much noodles, but it'll work because we're putting a lot of vegetables. So.
We also need 1 cup of milk. That's why we got some milk right here.
Okay, pour the carrots in too.
Pour the carrots in. We need the cream of chicken top. That's how I do it.
We're gonna put a little bit of garlic because we need some garlic in our lives. Hello! Oh my gosh, child.
Mix very slow when you have everything in here. Ooh, I wanted that carrot, but never mind.
We need some peas. It calls for peas and carrots.
Oh.
Okay. Bada bing, bada boom.
Frozen ones?
Well, that's all we got. And where'd that onion go?
It's gonna be gross dinner.
What? Why is it gonna be gross? Is
We're
it
gonna have the carrots. It's gonna taste like little carrots.
No, you can't. Where's the onion though? Okay. Ready? That's not the onion. Okay. We need some onion. It calls for some.
In there.
Some onion.
I hate onion. It makes my eyes cry. A little bit. Not that much.
Yeah.
It's really easy to make this.
Yes, that's why we're making it. If you have leftover chicken or chicken in a can, shoot.
Oh, it's gonna make me cry.
Don't smell it. Make this, man.
If you have anything like we have. Now
Okay, mix up slowly. And all we're doing is we're waiting for the egg noodles. Smell it. Does it smell good? Can't really smell it. Waiting for the egg noodles, and I'm gonna get some breadcrumbs. Yummy. And melt some butter. Yummy, because it can't be all healthy, right? Gotta be some buttery goodness, right? Want to get the breadcrumbs?
Breadcrumbs?
Breadcrumbs. Come on, give me the breadcrumbs. Yes, ma'am.
Breadcrumbs. Okay.
You know what? Maybe. if you're a good girl and you're a good cook. No, we're not pouring it on top. Didn't you hear me just say we're putting melted butter and we're going to sprinkle this on top?
Yes, I
but
did.
We first have to...
I was faking!
You really?
Yes, I was. Look.
You guys think she was faking?
Look, ready?
No, don't play.
Fake Lucas.
Stop. You're going to make them get confused. They're going to be like, what? Wait.
I'm not putting it in, guys.
But wait.
I'm not putting it in.
Wait a minute. Because I thought, we are... Butter. Where's the butter?
Okay! My favorite vegetable. My favorite vegetable. I can't say it right. My favorite vegetable. Vegetable is carrots. My mom makes special carrots. She puts butter in the carrots and syrup. Or sometimes brown sugar. And I like green beans. I don't like peas because peas are gross.
Well, hopefully.
And like green beans, regular green beans, not wet anything, just regular green beans. But no one else does.
You don't like the green bean casserole?
Nope.
You really don't?
I like it, but I love regular green beans more.
I guess Lady doesn't like carrots.
How dare you, Lady?
Here, let's see. Lady, do you like carrots? You ready? Sit. Ready?
Yep. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna give Lady a treat.
Nope. She ate it. Good girl. You're healthy. Do you like so? I really wish we had Ritz crackers, but we don't.
Smush.
Okay.
Smush.
Here. Yeah. Stir that around. Not crazy though. Okay.
Money, by the pound.
I think the noodles gotta be done.
They gotta be done.
Almost. I don't like mushy noodles. Don't mind my dishes. I need to clean them.
So every time there's a big wall in front of the dishes.
Okay.
Okay, I think I'm done
I think
mixing
it's
it.
set to put cheese in it too.
I think I'm done mixing it right now.
No, you can't put it on top. We gotta put the noodles in.
I know.
Okay, stir this around.
There's a lot of stuff.
Egg noodles are in. Oh.
Some cheese.
Cheese, thank you. Can you stop eating it? Oh, it smells good.
It tastes buttery.
That's because there's butter in it.
I love butter.
All right, so we're gonna put some cheese up in there.
Cheese in my hair, Dave. Cheese in my hair.
No,
just my hair. Just
should we
kidding.
put some green beans in there too?
No. Yes! I love green beans!
This has butter in it already.
Oh.
So we have some leftover green beans.
Like a carrot.
It's gonna be like a chicken pot pie, y'all.
I love chicken pot pie.
That's what it's gonna be like.
When I think about it now, I love chicken pot pie, so I'm gonna go this. Try carrot by itself.
No.
Try it.
I know what it tastes
I
like.
tried it. It tastes gross. Like this. It
Yeah.
has like chicken and stuff in it.
Stop. You're making a mess here. Go slow. You're supposed to, you know.
I can't wait to go camping. I can't stop talking about it. I'm going in 2 days. Only on Saturday. At 7 o'clock a.m.
Yeah.
For some reason, that early. I was typically at 5 o'clock a.m.
Okay. We're going to do a handful of cheese. Let's do another handful because we are cheesy peasy. Slowly mix, please.
Slowly mix.
You can't just, you got to get to the bottom and mix.
I am.
I'll do it. We're about to do the, stop. We're about to do the breadcrumbs. No, don't tell me it's good. I know it's good. All right. Start sprinkling the breadcrumbs over the top. More than that. Yeah. Here, let's sprinkle a little bit more garlic on top. Bam!
Bam!
We made the whole camera shake. All right, you want to see the layers, guys? Well, there's no layers. You want to see what it looks like on the side? Come here, lady. Come eat the stuff off the floor. Hold on. Okay. that's what the side looks like. And this is what the top looks like. This is what Angie looks like eating off the table, the crumbs. And we're about to pop this bad boy. We're popping it in the oven. Should be done in about
3 minutes. Just kidding. I have no idea.
30 minutes. Trying to be professional about this, you know? As professional as I can. Okay, Auntie. You want to clean the kitchen now? I'll give you a penny.
No.
No?
Penny's not.
I'll give you candy.
Oh, no.
Why?
We already have candy.
I can't bribe her with nothing.
See?
Can't bribe her with nothing.
We already have candy. We have this. Jolly
Well,
Ranchers.
guys. All right, so I will be back. Angie, don't forget to remind me to show everybody what the food looks like after it comes out before we eat it. Or at least when you're eating it.
Okay, now when you're done doing this, Mommy, I'm going to go call Chelsea because I have the phone already.
Haha, very funny. She thinks I can give you her number and you can call Chelsea from your phone. So it is still bubbling. When it bubbles, you know it's done. It's all cooked anyway, so you're going to let it sit for about... How long are we going to let it sit for, Angie?
5 minutes.
Good job. See?
Coloring.
She's learning something. She's learning something.
I'm just coloring on my
So that's what it looks like. And we'll see how it tastes. You can scoop it on with your fork though. Jeez. It's the most difficult taster ever. It must be hot. H-O-T. But how's it taste though? Will you stop wiping on your clothes? You're 8 years old.
Good. I
Good?
love it.
You love it? Okay, good, good. All right. And here is the final call. Coming in!